To AirPlay from your iOS device to your Fire TV, go to search and look for Air Screen with your voice or using text. This one over here. So this is a free app that has some ads, but you always can buy the pro version. So for example, if I want to play my music from my phone using Spotify or Apple Music, we just need to go to the iPhone menu and look for the music here, this little one over here, and just AirPlay. So once it's gonna connect to our big screen, we'll be able to play any song we want. So let's go here to music and then play the song over here, and it's gonna be playing on the big TV. If you want to share your screen, there's another option. If you go to the menu and then AirPlay. So anything you see on your phone is going to show on the big TV. So let's say you want to have a karaoke or a big party. You can use this feature to send in music. Also, YouTube videos can be sent. So once you find the video that you like, you press on it and it's going to transfer to the big screen in high resolution and full screen. So this is really good for video clips, maybe even films and movies. Hope you guys like this short video. Please subscribe and like the video.